Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get auto clicker in Roblox using this crazy app called Roblox++. So this will allow you to get a fully functioning auto clicker, guys. It's super insane, completely free to download, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So you can see right here, you can actually set multiple positions where the auto clicker will work. As you can see, it is just insane. And yeah, then you can automate those tasks and you will see that it actually works. So it's really, really cool. And I just can't believe that this actually works, guys, but it does. So yeah, this is crazy. You can see right here, if I run it, now my character can jump because that's the task I said to do. So yeah, this is insane, and I can't believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So you can see right here, I can set it to be over here. You can also have like different configurations that you have, which is really cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys right here. I'm going to have two of them, and you can also delete them, of course, so you can have it for different like areas. So let's set them over here and then play it, and as you can see, it is moving my character like to the right. So yeah, it's completely automated. It's super cool, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So yeah, this is crazy. This is what the app looks like, Roblox++. It's just insane, guys, and I cannot believe that this actually works, but it does. So yeah, really, really cool. It's a crazy trick. So yeah, if you open it back up, you can go ahead and get into any game you want and then use the auto clicker. So crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so I can show you guys exactly how to download it from the beginning. So let me just go ahead and do that. And before you download this on your device, guys, you want to go ahead and open up the settings app. There's a few settings that you have to go ahead and change. So let me open the app, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So once you're in settings, guys, the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and go down to the general section. So let me just go down here to general, as you can see. And once you're in general, what you want to do is find this option called background app refresh, and you need to make sure this is on. It's really important as it allows apps to go ahead and refresh their content. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And as you can see right here, background app refresh. And you can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's on and you're good to go. So once you've done that, you're all set. And all you have to do now is go ahead and go back to the general section. And this time we're looking for a different option. So let me go to general again. And now what you want to do is go ahead and go down until you find date and time. So let me go down to date and time. And when you click on that, you want to make sure that it says set automatically. This should be on by default, but if it's off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Once you've done that, you're all set. And all you have to do now is go ahead and go down to the battery section. So let me just go down here to battery. And once you're in the battery section, guys, what you want to do is just make sure that this setting called low power mode is off. You'll know it's on because your battery percentage will turn yellow. So make sure low power mode is off and you're good to go. And now you just have to go ahead and go down to the App Store section. So let me just go down here to App Store. And once you're in the App Store section, guys, what you want to do is just make sure that this option called automatic downloads is on. This should be on by default, but if it's off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Once you've done that, you're all set and you're all ready to go ahead and go to this amazing website that I'm about to show you. So let me go to my browser and I'm going to show you guys where you need to go to get this crazy Roblox++ auto clicker. So let me just go ahead and go over to my browser. And the site you want to go to is called ipazilla.com. Has a ton of mod apps and games. Super cool site. Now, once you're here, there's a few different ways you can go ahead and search for apps. I like to use the search bar, so I'm going to go ahead and type in Roblox++, and you can see it pops right up. So to download it on your device, all you have to do is go ahead and press the blue button that says install, and then just wait until that progress bar reaches the end. Now, as long as you have a decent internet connection, this shouldn't take too long, so let's just give it a minute. There are more steps after this, though, so make sure you keep watching the video till the end if you want to know exactly how to do it. So you can see in the corner it says installing. So let's give it a minute. As you can see, all right, almost there. Almost there. And once the progress bar reaches the end, it is going to start loading this little circle around and around. So let's give it a minute for that to start happening. Any second now, guys, it should start going. So let's give it a second here. Okay. And any moment now, guys, there goes the circle. So then we should get a prompt to go ahead and install a configuration profile onto our device. And you can see it says right here, do you want to allow this? So what you want to do is go ahead, press allow. After you do that, it's going to say profile downloaded. Go ahead, press close, and then just go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile. So let me do that right here. So now when I go ahead and open up settings, we should see a message at the top that says profile downloaded. Go ahead, press on that. And then all you have to do, guys, is go ahead and press where it says install. So press install, and after you press that, it's going to ask you for your iPhone password. So let me just go ahead, type it in, and after you enter your iPhone password, guys, all you have to do is go ahead, press install again. And then there's going to be a final install prompt in red, guys. Press that, go to your home screen, and you should now see Roblox++ on your device. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out with this crazy method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Crazy trick. This is just amazing. It's just so cool. So remember to get this on your device. All you have to do is go to the site ipazilla.com. Once you're there, go to the search bar, and then just go ahead and type in Roblox++. So let me do that right here. Once it pops up in the search results, all you have to do is press the blue button that says install, and then it will show you that progress bar. Just wait until that reaches the end, and you should get the prompt to go ahead and install a configuration profile onto your device. When you get that prompt, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press allow. And after you press allow, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press close. And then just go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile. So let me do that right here. And then when you open up settings, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press where it says profile downloaded. And then all you have to do is go ahead and press install. So let me do that right here. After you press install, it's going to ask you for your iPhone password. So let me just go ahead and type that in. And after you've entered your iPhone password, guys, all you have to do is go ahead, press install again. And then there's going to be that final install prompt in red. Press that, go to your home screen, you'll see it on your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and share this with your friends. Get the word out with this crazy method. Can't believe it actually works. See you guys later. Peace out.